Hello guys, my name is Willy Ngugi, and in this video I'm going to show you how I created this UI over here that I found somewhere on Dribble. So just to go through the UI, as you can see here, we have this list view builder over here. Also we have these list styles here. When you click on this here one, for example, we are presented with a screen like this. And then here you can click on a subject that you want, like that, and then you are presented with several videos in that particular class. And then when you select on a video, for example this one of a baby here, you are presented with a screen like this where you can get to play the video like that. So here I was just focusing on the UI. I did not connect this app to any database. All the data that has been used in this application has been created manually by hand. First, to understand this application, you have to go first to the main.dat file. In the main.dat file, what I did is I just changed the title to school app. I set the debug show checked mode button to false, and I set the home to home screen. So I created a new folder called screens, and in there I created home screen.dat. So this is the home screen. If I can create it, if I can show it here in the application. So the home screen basically has a bar over here, but it has a list view builder for rendering these icons and the text over here. And then it has a container, and then that container has a column that renders the form card. So I created another folder called widgets, and I created this form card. So the form card, what it does is just a card that returns a list style. So the list style has a leading. So the leading is this one here inside of a container, and then the title is the text year one, and then we have a trailing which returns the number of videos in that particular year. Okay, so like here you have 13 videos. All of them have 13 videos because I'm using a manually created list of videos, but I'm going to show you when we get there. So let's open the form screen. So here is the form screen. So the form screen, of course, it has the app bar, and then inside the body it has the container. The container is the white one with its own configurations here, but most importantly it has a column. So the first element of a column is this text field over here, and I created it over here. And then it has a grid view builder which has a cross axis count of 2. As you can see, there are 2 columns here. It has a main axis spacing of 10, and it also has a child aspect ratio of 3/2. So to create these individual items here, what you have to do is that I created a subject item, and then this subject item here to display how every item in the grid view is displayed. So and this subject item is inside the widgets folder. It displays it returns a container with a set height and width, and a box decoration with the color purple that has a shade of 50. And then inside that container is a column with an icon and with a text title. And you get that from category. So inside the models I created a category. So every category has an icon and it has a title, as you can see over here. Okay, yeah. If I can go back on the form screen, so as you can see here, I wrapped the item inside an inkwell, and when you click on it, you are directed to the subject screen. So when you click on mathematics, for example, you are going to be directed to this subject screen that basically has all the videos that belong to that class. So again, since I did not connect this application to any databases, I used the same images, the same videos for all the subjects that are here. Okay, so inside the subject screen, if I can open the subject screen, it's inside the screens folder. So the subject screen is very similar. It's almost very similar to the form screen, such that inside the body we have the column, and the first element of the column is this text field, and then another grid view builder that returns items, that returns these items here. So these items here, if you can see here, we have the a thumbnail of the video, the title of the video, the author, and also the length of the video. So these lengths are all hard coded. All these videos actually were like 30 seconds long. So most of these are just hard coded. The grid view builder here of this subject screen returns a video item. So if I can navigate to the video item, which is inside the widgets, here it is. So every video item here, it's first of all a container, which returns first of all an image, and then a column which outputs the title of the video, and a column that displays the tutor and also the duration. So to understand this better, let me just open the video.dat file. So these are the description of the video. So the video has the string video, the thumbnail, the title, the published, duration, tutor, number of students, and description. So I created another file called data.dat. So here we have the video. So each and every video. So if you open assets, I created another folder called assets. Inside there, I created all the thumbnails. These are images, but I also included all the videos that I used here. So these are the videos, and each and every one of these video has a link to the video itself and also a thumbnail. And so as you can see, all these other things are just hard coded. So finally, once you click on a video, you get this screen over here. Basically, here is where you get a video. I can click on it to play it like that. I can click that again to pause it. So this actually is the video screen. So here is the video screen. It gets the video through this provider to get the state of the video controller. To do that, I added two external packages. So inside the pubspec.yaml file, first of all, I added the fonts. As you can see, this font here is a bit different from the normal font. I also added the video player package and also the Flutter Riverpod package. All right, so inside I created a folder called providers, and here I created how to initialize a video, method of toggling it so that you can pause it or play it, resetting a video so that when I click back and come back, I'm presented with another video over here. For example, this one for override, okay? And basically disposing the controller, it has to be disposed. So that's basically what the video screen does. As you can see here, it's inside the scaffold. First of all, we have a stack. So the first child of the stack is this sized box that displays the video. So if the video is not null, we get the video inside of that sized box. But if the controller is null, we get the circular progress indicator. And then I positioned an icon button. So this is the button here at the center that is responsible for pausing the video or playing it. All right. And then finally here, I also positioned another icon here to go back using the navigator.contextPop, but just after resetting the video inside the video player controller. And here at the end, these are other descriptions like the title of the video, where it was published. All this information was gotten from the video that we pass in over here. So so to get this title, for example, you just use title video.title. For the published on, you get video.published and so on. So I arranged them there. And finally, the last button here is just a container that is put inside of an align widget, which is then inside of an expanded widget to place it at the very bottom here using the fractional offset.bottom center. So basically that was it. That was just a rough demonstration of how everything was done. It's a very crappy tutorial, but if you'd like me to create this tutorial from scratch, comment on this video so that I can do a step-by-step tutorial on how I created and my thought process in this application. Anyway, you can contact me directly through the social media links that I have provided in the channel about page, and also you can text me on WhatsApp directly with the number that I have provided also in the about page of this channel. Anyway, have a good one. I shall see you in the next one. Bye.